Picture a jellyfish. Now picture the most boring, forgettable, completely unremarkable creature in the entire ocean. Yeah, same thing. But here is the part that will break your brain completely. This tiny, pathetic, fingernail-sized blob of ocean jelly is immortal. Not lives a long time immortal. Not ages gracefully immortal. Actually, immortal. Scientists found an animal that can reverse its own aging. Completely. Like hitting an undo button on death itself. And the craziest part? It has been doing this quietly, unbothered, in your ocean for over 600 million years. While dinosaurs came and went, while humans invented fire, the wheel, and somehow also reality TV. This tiny creature was just out there, not dying. No drama, no effort, just vibing. Forever. Its name is Turritopsis dohrnii, the most dangerous animal on Earth. Not because it will hurt you, but because once you learn what it does, it will ruin your peace of mind permanently. So, how does a jellyfish cheat death? When this jellyfish gets old, stressed, hungry, or just generally fed up with existence, it does something no other animal on this planet can do. It shrinks. It folds back into itself like a deflating balloon, and it turns back into its baby form. Brand new. 0 years old. Ready to go again. Think about that. Imagine you are 80 years old, tired and wrinkly, and instead of dying, you just shrink back into a baby. Full restart. Fresh new life. No memory of the struggle. That is exactly what this jellyfish does. Every single time. Your body cannot do this. We grow up, get old, fall apart. This jellyfish rewrites that rule completely. Dr. Shin Kubota of Kyoto University has watched this species age, reverse, and restart over and over in his lab for decades. He calls it the most miraculous creature on the planet. He has also written songs about it. Songs. Scientists contain multitudes. Here is where it gets even more absurd. This immortal jellyfish is not hiding in some remote corner of the ocean. It is everywhere. It started in the Mediterranean Sea. Now it lives in the Atlantic, the Pacific, the Caribbean, and the waters near Japan. It spreads by hitchhiking in the water stored inside cargo ships. Invisible, undetected. Researcher Dr. Maria Pia Miglietta of Texas. A&M University confirmed this global spread. Its population may be far larger than anyone ever estimated. The immortal animal is also the most well-traveled animal, completely unbothered, absolutely thriving. Now, the obvious question. If this jellyfish cracked the aging code millions of years ago, why did every other animal on Earth, including us, just not do that? Here is the uncomfortable answer. Getting old and dying is not a mistake. For most animals, it is on purpose. When creatures die, they make room for the next generation. They free up food and space. Nature does not care about your personal survival once you have had kids. Death, for most life on Earth, is the price paid for progress. This jellyfish found the loophole. Instead of dying to make room, it simply reboots. No sacrifice, no checking out, just a quiet reset and straight back to the beginning. In 2022, Dr. Maria Pascual-Torner at the University of Oviedo studied the inner workings of this jellyfish's cells. What she found stunned scientists worldwide. This animal has remarkably powerful tools for repairing damage and keeping its cells young, far beyond anything seen in any other animal. This is not an accident. Nature built an immortality machine and disguised it as a wet piece of nothing floating in the sea. The medical possibilities are enormous. Alzheimer's, cancer, heart disease. Almost every major illness that gets worse as humans age is, at its core, a result of our bodies breaking down over time. The exact problem this jellyfish already solved. Research labs around the world are now studying this creature, trying to apply what it does to human medicine. The immortal jellyfish is no longer just a weird ocean fact. It is a guide. One last thing. This jellyfish can still be eaten by other animals. It can be killed by pollution. It is not invincible. But if nothing from the outside ends its life, there is no built-in process that pushes it toward death. It will simply keep restarting. forever. Somewhere in the ocean right now, there may be a jellyfish the size of your fingernail that is older than recorded human history. That has outlived ice ages, mass extinctions, every single empire ever built on this planet. And when things get hard, it does not panic. It does not fight. It simply folds back into itself, resets to the very beginning, and starts again. You started this video thinking jellyfish were boring. The most powerful survival strategy on Earth does not belong to the lion, the shark, or the crocodile. It belongs to a tiny translucent speck of jelly that figured out how to never die before life on Earth even had a backbone.
If your mind was just blown, hit subscribe! If your mind was just blown, hit subscribe!